Hey guys, this is Amanda with Louise Street. I am showing you the background that I am going to be completing today. This is going to go on the back of the terrarium, and as you can see, here is my fairy door and where I want to place my windows. Here are the little pots that I'm going to be able to grow things out of the background so it looks like it's in a tree or a forest situation. Here is the stuff I'm going to be using. It's called Great Stuff. It is a spray-in insulation foam. You could touch it within 15 minutes and it is completely cured in about 8 hours. Because I'm not doing it very thick, I should be able in a couple of hours to be able to start carving it and making different textures and to see where I want to place everything. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to want to shake up your insulation foam really good. And we are just going to do the best we can. Because we are going to carve it afterwards, it is very forgiving. So we can place things and, let it dry, and then we can carve it out if we want to. I'm going to go ahead and take my windows off, and I'm going to take my door off. And as you can see, these right here I had used for a different terrarium. I figured, this would be awesome for a little ledge for the fairy to climb up to get to her door. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insulate all of these goodies in place and then give a little texture to the background. All right, here we go. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after it is all dry. See? All hard. So I've got a lot of carving to do, but this is how it would look after you're done with all the spray insulation and it has dried. So yes, next step is carving it. And then we will cover it with clear silicone, and I will press cocoa fiber and cocoa bark into the back so it will end up looking like a tree bark. Alright guys, next up,